So, this first exercise that we're going to do is going to help you understand where your diaphragm is and understand how to control it. So, what I want you to do is exhale every last part of breath that you've got from your lungs, every last bit. So there's literally nothing left, you're completely empty. And then let go. You should have an instant reaction. The body knows to let the air flood back in again. The diaphragm should go down, the air should fill back up again, and it should be a natural, no stress, no strain reaction. But as singers, again, we try too hard, we put too much in. We try and suck the air in, we try and make it like, we suck it in, we snatch it in, we create tension, we create high tension in the chest. So, I want you to do it with me. Let all your air out. And then gradually inhale. This is best done stood up. Another way how you can feel your diaphragm is doing this. Hee, 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 hee. Little bit like a laugh, or like a monkey in fact. The diaphragm will lift and you'll feel where it is. Depends on your body shape as to exactly where your diaphragm is, but it sits just underneath the lungs, normally around your belly button. When we breathe in, the diaphragm goes down almost like half a football, and then we exhale, it comes back up again. It jumps back up. But when we're a singer, that's no good because the air is just going to straight back out again. We have to be able to control it. So, now you know where your diaphragm is, now you've felt it, we're now going to introduce the first exercise that I want you to do on a daily basis.